Hey guys, Captain Mark here with Reel and Charters down here in wonderful Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. This trip we got to go chase king mackerel. We stayed in close, fished the Ships channel. You'll see some exciting video on this one. We got really close to the ships. I was painting the wheelhouse with my kite. Pretty cool. Alright guys, check out the action. Alright son, we got one. Come on. Midday report. Picked up one about 25. Gonna stay in here and ride. Weird little thing. Man, it was just loaded with bait in there this morning, bro. This is good for a minute. Alright. Just keep an eye on that buoy. Yeah. That's good right there. Yeah, go ahead and take it out of gear. Can you grab them?
Yeah, you want me to grab them?
Nah. We had a great trip. We went 3 for 4 on kings. And I just wanted to show you guys my go-to rod, how we got it done. This is it right here. Crowder, 25-pound class, 7 foot, with a TLD 25, spool with 30-pound test mono, ready to go. Now this one I do use for my lighter baits, pogies, greenies, herring. For the bigger baits, we stay with the same 7 foot, but we move up to the 30-pound class rod. A little stiffer, still got good action. Same TLD 25, same 30-pound test. We can get it done. Big baits, hardtails, whatever you're pulling on the bigger size, works perfect for them. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. Go fishing. It's time.